Welcome back to Konye's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got one of my favorite recipes, Belgian waffles. Now, I love breakfast, so this is one of my favorite things to make on a Saturday morning. You already know how we do it here. Instructions on the screen, so just read along and you should be just fine. I got 2 recipes in the description box, depending on how many waffles you want to make, so just take a look at that. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and I'm pretty sure, actually I'm very sure, you're gonna love it.
Entertainment. Entertainment.
Whoo! Now look at that. You can't tell me that don't look good. Now it's time to try it. See, now the whipped cream's a little melted. You know, I spent so much time trying to take pictures and video it. It kind of got a little melted. Hey, it happens. But I promise you, it's still gonna taste good. So, you know, presentation is key. Got a little cinnamon sprinkled on top. Some powdered sugar on top as well. So, hey, nothing left to do but try it. Get some of that. Get some, ooh. Oh, goodness gracious. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. That's probably the best waffle I've ever tasted. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Man, that's busting. That's straight fire. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm sorry I'm talking with food in my mouth. It's so good though. Stay tuned for the next episode. We out.